Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Movie Podcast in Slow English. I am very happy you are here today. Today, we talk about a very special film. The name of the film is The Jungle Book. The Jungle Book. This film is from 1967. It is an animated film. The studio is Walt Disney. Walt Disney is a very famous company. They make many great films for children and families. Now, let me tell you about the main characters. The first character is Mowgli. Mowgli is a small boy. He is brave and kind. The second character is Baloo. Baloo is a big bear. He is very funny and very friendly. The third character is Bagheera. Bagheera is a black panther. He is serious. He is very wise. And the last important character is Shere Khan. Shere Khan is a tiger. He is the villain. Okay, now let's start the story. Are you ready? Let's go. Our story begins in a big, green jungle. The jungle is beautiful. There are tall trees. There are rivers. There are many animals. One night, a small baby comes to the jungle. The baby is alone. He has no mother. He has no father. A family of wolves finds the baby. The mother wolf looks at the baby. She says, "He is small. He needs our help. We will take care of him." The wolves give the baby a name. His name is Mowgli. Mowgli grows up in the jungle. He lives with the wolves. They are his family. Mowgli is happy. The jungle is his home. But one day, there is bad news. Shere Khan the tiger is coming back to the jungle. Shere Khan hates humans. He says, "The boy must go. He does not belong here. Humans are dangerous." The wolves are afraid. Bagheera the panther comes to the wolves. He says, "Mowgli must leave the jungle. He must go to the man village. It is the only safe place for him." Mowgli does not want to go. He loves the jungle. He loves his wolf family. But Bagheera is right. The jungle is not safe for Mowgli anymore. Bagheera and Mowgli leave the jungle together. They walk through the trees. It is dark. Mowgli is sad. He looks back at the jungle. Bagheera says, "Do not be sad, Mowgli. The man village is a good place. You will be safe there." But Mowgli says, "I don't want to go. The jungle is my home." They sleep in a tree that night. While they sleep, a big snake comes. His name is Kaa. Kaa talks to Mowgli with a soft, slow voice. He tries to hypnotize Mowgli, but Bagheera wakes up. He pushes Kaa away. Mowgli is safe for now. The next day, Mowgli walks alone through the jungle. He is tired and unhappy. Then he hears a big, happy voice. It is Baloo the bear. Baloo is a big bear. He is very funny. He loves to dance and sing. Baloo sees Mowgli and says, "Hey, little buddy, don't worry. Life is easy. Life is fun." Baloo sings his famous song. The song is called The Bare Necessities. Mowgli starts to smile. He starts to dance. Baloo and Mowgli become friends. Good friends. Baloo says to Mowgli, "Stay in the jungle with me. You don't need to go to the man village." Mowgli is very happy. He wants to stay. But then something bad happens. A group of monkeys takes Mowgli. They carry him to their king. The king's name is King Louie. King Louie is a big, loud orangutan.
King Louie wants one thing.
He wants to know the secret of fire. King Louie says, "Tell me the secret of fire, Mowgli. Then I will be like a human." But Mowgli does not know. He is a boy, but he grew up with animals. Then Baloo and Bagheera arrive. There is a big, funny fight. Everything is loud and crazy. In the end, Mowgli escapes. He is free. After the monkeys, Bagheera speaks to Baloo. He is serious. He says, "Baloo, you must tell Mowgli to go to the man village. Shere Khan is coming. Mowgli will die if he stays." Baloo is sad. He loves Mowgli like a son. But he knows Bagheera is right. Baloo finds Mowgli. He says, "Mowgli, you must go to the man village." Mowgli is shocked. He is angry. He says, "You too. You are my friend. I thought you were different." Mowgli runs away into the jungle. Alone. Now Mowgli is alone. He is sad and angry. He sits near a river. Then he hears a sound. A dark shape comes through the trees. It is Shere Khan. Shere Khan is big. He is frightening. He looks at Mowgli and smiles. A dangerous smile. He says, "Well, well, the little man cub, all alone." Mowgli is scared, but he does not run. He is brave. Then Baloo comes. He grabs Shere Khan's tail. Baloo fights Shere Khan to save Mowgli. But Shere Khan is too strong. Baloo falls. Mowgli is very scared now. He thinks Baloo is dead. He looks around. He sees a fire, a burning tree. The fire is big and orange and hot. Mowgli has an idea. He takes a burning branch from the tree. He ties it to Shere Khan's tail. Shere Khan hates fire. All tigers hate fire. Shere Khan is terrified. He runs away fast. He never comes back. Baloo is okay. He is not dead. Mowgli is so happy. They hug. It is a beautiful moment. Then Mowgli hears something. He walks to the river. There, near the water, he sees a young girl. She is from the man village. She is singing. She is very pretty. She sees Mowgli. She smiles. Mowgli looks at her. He looks at the jungle. He looks at Baloo and Bagheera. He makes a decision. He follows the girl into the man village. Baloo looks sad.
He says,
He had to go. I know. Bagheera smiles.
He says,
He is where he belongs, Baloo. He is home. And so, our story ends. Mowgli is finally home. So, what is the message of the Jungle Book? I think there are two important messages. The first message is this: where you belong is where you feel loved. Mowgli grows up in the jungle, but in the end, he goes to the man village, not because someone tells him to, but because his heart takes him there. Home is not always the place where you were born. Home is the place where you belong. The second message is about friendship. Baloo loves Mowgli, but he tells Mowgli the truth. A good friend is not only fun. A good friend is also honest. A real friend tells you the truth, even when it is difficult. Okay, my friends, that is the story of the Jungle Book. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned some new English words today. Remember, learning English is like Mowgli's journey. Sometimes it is difficult. Sometimes you feel lost. But if you keep walking, you'll find your way. See you in the next episode.
Goodbye.